controversy over HRD Ministry's move to rename Teachers' Day celebrations escalates. Another NDA ally, the PMK this time, has opposed the move, terming it as a discreet attempt to impose Sanskrit. Let's go across to Shabir, who has more details for us. Yes, Shabir.
Well, after MDMK, now it is PMK that has raised its voice against renaming Teachers' Day as Guru Utsav. In fact, statement Ramadas clearly says that it's nothing but a discreet way of imposing Sanskrit, because already there has been a lot of trouble. The allies are not willing to accept the government's move to impose Hindi and to use Hindi as a language in social media. So as a follow-up now, the allies have also opposed the move of celebrating Sanskrit Week. Now they have come to this issue, and they have also once again opposed this move as well, saying that this is nothing but a discreet attempt of imposing Sanskrit on the people of Tamil Nadu, because Teachers' Day is something that is that has no connection with any kind of this thing. Just to celebrate teachers and to uphold their values. And the PMK, now MDMK and the PMK have opposed this move.
Well, do stay on with us, Shabir. Of course, we know that the HRD minister has reacted to this. We'll listen to Smriti Irani and come back to you.
On the issue of Guru Utsav,
I will only say this, that a deliberate attempt is being made to distort certain facts. Guru Utsav 2014 is an essay competition for all students, past and present, as to how they celebrate the contribution of their teachers in their lives. We are seeking to award all the children and all the students who participate in the essay competition. I cannot fathom why anybody would envy or oppose an essay competition which instills a sense of pride in our teaching community, why anybody would oppose an occasion to celebrate the contribution of teachers in every citizen's life. This is just an essay competition to say that gurus and teachers in our country are not to be revered is something that saddens me. I feel that the essay competition is dedicated to the teaching community at large and also becomes a bridge for students past and present of communication between students and teachers.
Where Shabir, largely aren't these parties merely playing politics over an essay competition and making much ado about nothing? Because that way, all the festivals of the country which are celebrated all across the country will have to be renamed because they are non-Dravidian in their in nature in terms of what they are called.
No, the issue that is being raised by the political parties here, particularly the Dravidian parties, is that this is nothing but an indirect imposition of Sanskrit, which is not a Dravidian language. And here,
even English is not a Dravidian language. Why call it Teachers' Day then? That should be the argument, Shabir, isn't it?
Well, they have a different set of arguments. As far as the DMK is concerned, they see this as something which is they see this as something that is that has nothing to do with development. And they said, and the DMK spokesperson had questioned that by changing the name of Teachers' Day, what is it going to make and what is it going to do? At this point in time, it is not going to develop something. Rather than changing names and rather than giving it a different identity, the government should go ahead and pursue its development agenda. Now the government is deviating from its development agenda, is what the DMK says.
Right.
And on the other hand, the PMK and its own allies, NDA allies like MDMK, have opposed this move. They have said that this is nothing but indirect imposition of Sanskrit language, which is completely unacceptable because they have some sort of an issue when it comes to Tamil Nadu and these kind of things that are being implemented in the state.